Assalamu alaikum student. Our next lesson is lesson number 13, parts of speech, and today we shall focus on adverbs. What are adverbs? An adverb is a part of speech used to describe a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverbs क्या होते हैं? Adverbs is a part of speech which describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It tells us how, when, and where an action took place. It talks about a verb. It tells us how, in what way, when, at what time, and where an action took place. Examples are here. They shouted loudly. They shouted. How did they shout? They shouted loudly. Loudly is an adverb. It tells us how they shouted. They played very well. They played. वो खेले कैसे खेले? Very well. Very well is adverb. Very well is an adverb. It is very hot today. It is hot today. It is very hot today. Very is an adverb in this sentence. Now, there are different types of adverbs. The adverbs are of 5 types. The adverbs are of 5 types. Number first, adverbs of manner. Second, adverbs of time. Third, adverbs of place. Fourth, adverb of degree. And fifth, adverbs of frequency. Now, first type is the adverbs of manner. एडवर्ब्स ऑफ मैनर कौन से एडवर्ब्स होते हैं जो हमें ये बताते हैं कि कोई काम किस तरह से हुआ. These show how an action took place. किस अंदाज में हुआ कोई भी काम. एग्जाम्पल, he speaks loudly. He speaks, वो बोलता है. कैसे बोलता है? Loudly. Loudly is an adverb of manner. The next sentence is, they lived happily. They lived happily. Happily is adverb of manner. Next sentence, we fought bravely. We fought bravely. Bravely is adverb of manner. She walks carefully. Carefully is adverb of manner. The next type of adverbs is the adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when an action took place. कोई काम किस वक्त हुआ, वो adverb जो किसी काम के वक्त के बारे में बताते हैं, they are called the adverbs of time. Examples are here. They watched games all the day. They watched games all the day. All the day is the adverb of time. They watched games all the day. क्योंकि ये काम के टाइम के बारे में किस वक्त कोई काम हुआ बता रहे हैं तो all the day क्या है? adverb of time. She met me yesterday. वो मुझे मिली. कब मिली? Yesterday. Yesterday is the adverb of time. He came here a few minutes ago. वो आया. कब आया? A few minutes ago. ये क्या है? adverb of time. I have heard this before. Before is the adverb of time. Next type is the adverbs of place. Adverbs of place are adverbs which tell us where an action took place, यानी कि कोई काम किस जगह पे हुआ. और उन एडवर्ब्स को हम क्या कहते हैं? एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस. एग्जाम्पल्स, फर्स्ट वन इज स्टैंड हियर. स्टैंड हियर. हियर इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. आई सर्च हिम एवरीवेयर. मैंने उससे तलाश किया. कहाँ तलाश किया? एवरीवेयर. एवरीवेयर इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. वी मस्ट टेक रेस्ट हियर. हियर इज द adverb of place. It is warm outside. Outside is the adverb of place. Here is the exercise at the page number 55 of your book. Complete these sentences by adding adverbs. The meaning is given in brackets. ये sentences हैं जो incomplete हैं और आपने कौन सा adverb यूज़ करना है जो विद इन ब्रैकेट मीनिंग्स के आपने विदाउट फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में क्या है जी विदाउट मेकिंग एनी नॉइज द स्ट्रेंजर ओपन द डोर फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में एडवर्ब गिवन है विदाउट मेकिंग एनी नॉइज मीन साइलेंटली आपने विदाउट ब्रैकेटेड पार्ट को देखकर उसके मुताबिक आपने एडवर्ब का इस्तेमाल करना है सम ऑफ द क्लास डिड देयर वर्क without taking care. Some of the class did their work without taking care. Without taking care means carelessly. So how would you complete it? By using an adverb. Some of the class did their work carelessly. The tall man pushed his way through the crowd in a rough manner. In a rough manner mean इसका adverb क्या होगा? Roughly. The tall man pushed his way roughly through the crowd. The motor car turned to the right without any warning. Without any warning means suddenly. The motor car suddenly turned to the right. इसमें हमने कौन सा एडवर्ब यूज़ किया suddenly. The motor car suddenly turned to the right. The headmaster stopped joking and began to speak in a serious manner. इन अ सीरियस मैनर की जगह आपने क्या एडवर्ब यूज़ करना है सीरियसली द हेडमास्टर स्टॉप जोकिंग एंड बिगैन टू स्पीक सीरियसली नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस द मैन हु हैड बीन अटैक्ड फॉट बैक लाइक अ सेवेज द मैन हु हैड बीन अटैक्ड फॉट बैक सेवेजली इसका एडवर्ब क्या लाइक अ सेवेज का सेवेजली She said that she would speak to me again at no time. At no time का adverb क्या होगा? She said that she would never speak to me again. She said that she would never speak to me again. He came to see me when I was ill many times. इसका क्या होगा? He often came to see me when I was ill. I wonder whether we shall see him again at any time. I wonder whether we shall ever see him again. He leaves his bicycle there every time. तो every time का adverb क्या होगा? He always leaves his bicycle there. Here is another exercise. मोस्टली हम एडवर्ब्स को एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस यूज़ करते हैं जैसे ये आपको नज़र आ रहा है वी हैड रीच अटक बाय नून लेकिन अगर हम इसको ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहें तो हम एडवर्बियल फ्रेज को जुमले के शुरू में भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं एंड इट शोज द इम्पोर्टेंस वी हैड रीच अटक बाय नून इसको हम कैसे करेंगे बाय नून वी हैड रीच अटक ही वेंट होम आफ्टरवर्ड्स Afterwards, we went home. She wore a large green hat on her head. On her head, she wore a large green hat. He fell to the ground with a cry of fear. With a cry of fear, he fell to the ground. He held a gun in his hand. In his hand, he held a gun. She begged for mercy with tears in her eyes. With tears in her eyes, she begged for mercy.